Hey guys, this is Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna see the recipe of dhaba style dum aloo. Check the description box for the ingredients. Now without further ado, let's get started. Here I've taken about 500 grams of baby potatoes. I've washed them well with some water. Now I've peeled all the potatoes and I've used a clean cloth to remove the moisture. Otherwise the oil starts spluttering when you fry them. Now I'm gonna poke all potatoes using a fork. This is done so that it absorbs all the spices well, as we haven't boiled them. Now in a pan, add some oil, heat it, add the potatoes slowly. You can add them in batches if you are using a larger quantity. Now fry them on low to medium flame until they turn golden brown. They should look something like this. Now remove all of them and keep it aside. Here from the pan I've removed some oil and kept it aside. To this I'm adding about 3 dried red chilies. Saute it for 10 seconds. Now I'm adding 1 cup of onion, that is 1 large sized onion roughly chopped. Saute it for about a minute until it turns soft. Now add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Here I have about 8 to 10 cashews soaked in some water for 5 minutes. Adding this makes the gravy smooth and creamy. Now saute it for about 30 seconds. Add 1 cup of tomatoes, that is 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. Saute it until it turns a bit soft. After it cools down, put it into a mixie jar, add some water and grind it into a smooth paste. It should look something like this. Now to the same pan, add some oil and let it heat. Here I have some spices. I have 1 spoon of cumin, that is jeera, 2 bay leaves, 5 to 7 peppercorns, 2 ilaichi or cardamom, a small piece of cinnamon stick and 2 cloves. Now I'm gonna add them one after the other. Now saute this for 5 to 10 seconds. Now add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of red chili powder. Adding it in the beginning gives a very good color to the gravy. Now saute it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Now add the grounded paste. Add everything, don't waste anything. Mix everything well. Now cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Keep sauteing it in the between so that you don't end up burning it. You can see that the color gets darker as it cooks and it looks beautiful. Now to this I'm adding half spoon of cumin or jeera powder, half spoon of coriander or dhania powder. Now just saute it. You can see that it starts to separate from the pan. Now is the perfect time to add some water. I'm adding about 1 glass of water. You can adjust the consistency later as it cooks. Now mix it well. Add some salt. You can add as per your requirement. I've added about half a spoon. Now add 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped. add the fried potatoes. Now give it a good mix. Now close the lid and cook it for about 10 minutes on low to medium flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid and mix it. Now I tasted it and I felt it required some more salt, so I'm adding some salt. I'm adding 1/4 spoon of garam masala. This recipe is all about spices, guys. It requires a lot of spices. Now I'm gonna add some water, about half a glass, to adjust the consistency. If you want the gravy to be thick, you can keep it that way too. Now close it and cook it for 10 more minutes on low to medium flame. Now after 10 minutes, I'm gonna check if the potatoes are cooked. I'm gonna take a potato and using a fork, I'm gonna cut it. If it cuts smooth, then it's done. Otherwise, you have to cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now switch off the stove and add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now give it a good mix. That's it, guys. Serve it hot with chapati, roti or kulcha. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment sections below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.